welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing a December Boxycharm unboxing video, and I feel like this video is super late and I apologize for that. It's just been a busy holiday month for me, but I'm finally going on to record this video, so yeah. And also I just showered and my hair is just a mess and I don't think I'm gonna fix it, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this Boxycharm. This month's theme is whimsy. The theme is kind of like a fairy tale sort of enchanted theme. And so the first thing that I'm going to get into is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And how do we use this? You massage 3 to 4 drops over the face and neck. If contact with eyes occur, rinse thoroughly. So you don't want to get this in your eyes. It will probably burn, and we don't want that. This retails for $79. This is the most expensive item in the box, and this is pretty much like for an anti-aging. It's an anti-aging facial oil, which I'm only 22, guys, but always gotta protect the skin from aging. This smells really good. It looks so luxurious, and it's in a glass bottle and it has a dropper top. I'm just gonna drop it on my face. I literally love Boxycharm because I would never like purchase all these facial skincare items on my own, and a little really does go a long way. My skin doesn't feel too oily, but it feels really hydrated and smooth and super nice. And so the next thing in the box is the Stephanie Botanical, I don't know why I thought this said Stephanie. It's Seraphine Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. And this retails for $24. So gently buff onto lips until sugar crystals melt, then rinse with cold water or wipe with a wet tissue to reveal soft, revitalized skin. Let me just get a wet tissue real quick so I can do that for you. I'm gonna put a little bit on here. It smells like strawberries, I think. I can't tell this is like an exfoliator. I think I tasted a little bit of it, and it tastes like roses and like soap. Really not much like sugar crystals in here. I thought that there would be like a lip scrub, but it's not. I'm just gonna wipe it off now. Yeah, my lips feel soft. Okay guys, sorry for the change of scenery, but we are just gonna roll with it, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and do my face makeup, and then I will come back and go on to the next product. So yeah. Alright guys, so I finished my makeup, and I'm gonna go ahead and take out the next thing in the box, which is the Brow Bar by Rima True Brow Makeover Kit. It retails for $30. This is in the shade Dark, which I don't know how well it will look on me because my hair is blonde. Looks like this. There's like a pomade, I think, like a gel pomade that looks really light. This might be like a concealer shade, a dark black powder, and a dark brown powder. And there is also a wand that has gel on it. Let's open it, and this doesn't look too bad. You can see that. So, and then it also has a dual tip brush. One side has the angle, and then the other side has the, I think, like the concealer brush. So I probably won't be using the concealer because it looks too dark for me. So I'm just gonna use this brush that it came with, and then I'm gonna use the dark brown shade. We'll see how this goes. And I usually use pencils, so I haven't used a powder product in a long time. It's very pigmented, which I like. The shade is just a smidgen too dark for me. Let me get this little gap here. I actually am pleasantly surprised by this. The powder is actually very pigmented. The only thing is about it is that it's kind of just too dark for my brows. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if this brow gel does anything. So I feel like that made it a little bit darker. So, but I also do feel like the brow gel kind of like made my hairs really like just look wet and distinct. So I'm just gonna try to conceal around my brows just to make it more even. So I'm just going to use my regular Tarte's Shape Tape concealer. The other end of the brush, I'm just gonna dip that in there and apply that around my brow bone. Pleasantly surprised about this brow kit. The only thing that I don't like about it is that the color palette is just too dark for me. So maybe if I dye my hair back to black or dark brown again, maybe I can use this again, but I don't plan on doing that for a long time. The brush that this came with worked really well with the product. Yeah, so on to the next thing. This is really pretty. This is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood palette. This retails for $35 and it's like a little storybook. So cute. And it's a little bit thick. It's not very travel friendly, I don't think, but this is what the inside looks like. Super cute. It looks just like super rustic. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a look for you. I'm gonna just do a natural look, kind of, just because I'm wearing a sweater and a blue sweater, so don't want to do anything too crazy. I did like the palette a lot. It was pigmented, very easy to blend, and it was just a great palette. Okay, the last thing in the box is the Ciate Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. Retails for $26, and this is in the shade Dusk. And it looks like this. The packaging is beautiful. There is a mirror inside, and this is what the blush looks like. It looks really pretty and just very natural. It's so like pink and it looks super natural, which I love. So it doesn't look too crazy with my eyeshadow look, and I really like it. So this is my completed look. I really did like this box this month, and the total of the box came out to be $194, which is amazing for only paying $26. Final verdict, I think that my favorite products were probably the facial oil, just because it felt so luxurious, and on top of that it was $79, so that was really, really good. and I think the blush, just because I've been super into blushes lately and it wasn't too bright or too dark for my skin tone. It has like a matte finish, which I really like. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry this video is super late in the month. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, I don't know where the little card went. Help. And I think